Hey, it's Sam for Danny, helping you get happier, healthier and more beautiful every single day. So would you like to learn how you can actually start to burn body fat and actually start to get slimmer? Because so many people want to do this, but do you want to do it in a very cheap, safe, natural and effective way? Because if so, I'm going to teach you how you can do this with the combination of baking soda and apple cider vinegar, because these two alongside each other work synergistically to give you the greatest weight loss benefits with a natural remedy. But before I go on to speak about this, you also do want to be making dietary and lifestyle changes as well, because if you're not doing it alongside this, then you're really not going to be helping maximize the weight loss benefits that you're looking to achieve. So with diet, you want to be trying to remove completely or drastically minimize your intake of junk food and processed food, and yeah, just all of this packaged food that is not good for you whatsoever, that's made in a factory, and it's just full of so many things such as MSG, which the full name is monosodium glutamate, which has actually been shown to massively cause people to gain weight, and this is a flavor enhancing chemical that is added to most foods that get you very addicted to it. And you also just want to be increasing the amount of plant foods in their whole form, such as fruits and vegetables and nuts and seeds and grains, which are very high in water content, very high in fiber, and that have an abundance of amazing different nutrients that aid in weight loss. And because they're not full of a lot of garbage crap that is added to processed packaged foods, and they are natural, they just aid in your weight loss rapidly. So yeah, just try and fill up your diet with as many of these as possible on an everyday basis. This is one of the key factors for me staying super slim. So yeah, and alongside this, you want to be making sure that you are well hydrated with water. Avoid tap water at all costs. It is very, very toxic. Do your research into this. Avoid it at all costs. If you can get reverse osmosis or distilled water, then drink this. This is the best water that you can drink. That will just hydrate you very, very well. And another factor is, as well as shown through scientific research, if you look into this, going to bed very late on a consistent basis will cause you to gain weight and give you intense cravings for really bad food, which will make it harder to stick to a healthy diet. And last but not least, you want to be exercising on a regular basis, at least 3 to 5 times a week. It doesn't have to be very intense. Just do the exercise that you enjoy and that your body can handle, rather than burning yourself out and doing things such as P90X or insanity workouts, which a lot of people cannot stick to long term because it just burns them out. So now on to the remedy. So I'm first going to talk about why apple cider vinegar is so effective for aiding in weight loss. And one of the things, it alkalizes the body, which when the body is in a highly acidic state, it will not burn fat nowhere near as effectively in comparison to when your body is in an alkaline state. Also, it works as a very good appetite suppressant. I started using this years ago, and I just found my desire for food drastically decreased. So for people that are overeating on foods that cause them weight gain, it's going to help you reduce your appetite for those foods. And it also helps with food cravings that are unhealthy. And it contains an abundance of amino acids, vitamins and minerals, which are very vital for improving your overall health, but also aiding your body in getting the quickest weight loss results. And alongside this, I've read so many testimonials of people saying once they started drinking it for weight loss benefits, their blood pressure started to go down. They just noticed that their skin health improved, they had more energy, they had better cognitive function. So it has a wide array of amazing benefits for your mind and body holistically. So it's not just going to help you lose the weight that you're looking to lose, it's just going to improve your overall health and vitality. So yeah, it's absolutely amazing. But you want to be making sure when you are using this that you are getting apple cider vinegar that comes underneath this criteria, which is raw, organic, unfiltered, unpasteurized and with the mother, because a lot of apple cider vinegar does not come under this criteria and it has been pasteurized and devitalized, so it is pretty much void of beneficial nutrients and all the amazing properties for making you lose weight quite rapidly. So if you don't know where to buy this from, or you cannot source it, I'm going to put a link down below for a UK supplier and a US supplier, which is known as Bragg's, that can deliver it to your door. And now onto the baking soda. So this is a very well-known alkalizer. So it's doing something very similar to the apple cider vinegar, and it's alkalizing the body. So it's helping get your body out of an acidosis state, so it can start to go into like a fat burning state. So these work synergistically alongside each other to boost those benefits. And also both of these can help speed up your metabolism, and it has other benefits that will help improve your weight loss benefits that you're looking to achieve. And with this, you want to be making sure that you're getting aluminium free baking soda, otherwise it can be quite toxic. And a lot of baking soda is not organic baking soda and is chemically made, so it's really not good for you. So I'm going to put a link down below for a supplier that sells very high quality organic aluminium free baking soda that is non-toxic. So what you want to do is, once you've got these ingredients, you want to be getting 2 tablespoons of the apple cider vinegar in a big glass of water and mix it quite thoroughly, and add around 1/8 of a teaspoon of the baking soda, and it will fizz up a bit, but wait until that reaction has stopped in the water. This isn't a bad thing, so don't freak out. It's just what happens when you mix these two together. And what you would do is drink this around 15 minutes before a meal, because it's also going to boost your stomach acid levels and the acidity of it to actually improve your digestion overall and aid in the food just being a lot better assimilated, which is absolutely amazing because so many people have issues with these things that I've just mentioned. And what you want to be doing is drinking this anywhere from 2 to 4 times a day. And you don't have to drink it before food if you don't want to, but it will just help with the digestion of that food. And you can do this every single day. It's up to you. And if you go up to 4 times a day rather than 2, it's going to give you even greater weight loss benefits in a shorter period of time. And the brilliant thing about this combination, when you drink apple cider vinegar on its own, it can destroy the enamel on your teeth, and I'll talk about this more in a video here. But what you can always do is swish your mouth around with water, but because you've got the baking soda in there, that is very alkalizing, because the apple cider vinegar, once it hits your stomach, it's alkalizing, but before then, when it's in your mouth, it's very acidifying. So the baking soda will stop any negative effects of the apple cider vinegar on your teeth, which is just absolutely amazing. And I'm going to give you a quick readout of a testimonial of someone that started doing this alongside dietary changes that they had made to lose weight. So this woman said, "Since I've been dieting already, weighing and measuring my food, and nothing had changed, and I know what kind of weight loss to expect. I was surprised of a sudden loss of fat around my midsection. I was trying to figure out what caused the sudden drop, and the only thing that was the addition of the baking soda and the apple cider vinegar together." And she does actually say that she was taking the apple cider vinegar for months already, but she didn't notice the weight loss benefits until she started adding the baking soda. And then she started noticing that she started to get massive weight loss results with the addition of that to the apple cider vinegar. And she says, for people already dieting, I think taking a little bit of baking soda or baking soda with apple cider vinegar is a worthwhile addition to your plan. And she goes on saying, the last months I lost around 35 pounds, but an additional 3 pounds in the past week and a half. I lost 7 inches off my waist during that time, an additional ½ inch in the past week and a half. So as you can see there, it's one amazing testimonial for this combination. So yeah, give it a go. You have nothing to lose. And if you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you like the video, like it down below, give us a thumbs up, and please share this video with anyone that you think would love to hear about this amazing remedy that will help burn fat a lot faster on their healthy lifestyle changes that they're making alongside this. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below to receive a lot more videos from me on an everyday basis, sharing so many natural remedies for you to lose weight and get to the amazing body weight that you desire to achieve, and so many natural remedies to help you de-age your skin, improve your overall skin health, your hair health, also help you regrow hair if you're looking to do that, and so many natural remedies and ways and lifestyle changes and tips and tricks that I would teach you on how you can live a sickness and disease-free life full of energy, full of vitality, and increase your longevity alongside those amazing benefits. So yeah, if those videos sound good to you, hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure that you click the bell notification button next to it, otherwise you will not be notified via email when new videos are posted on this channel. So as always, stay happy, stay healthy, and enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.